Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MTBC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price action, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning and get rid of these lines both here and here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. Now, as far as first updates are concerned, that's where this $1.40 level comes into play, and this is based on a foundational principle in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about $1.40 as resistance, but now that the price is above it, this would be the ideal area of support, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can continue to hold up above $1.40, which it's been doing a good job of, then that would definitely be a best case scenario. Now, if the price does fall below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay above that $1.40 mark, that would be a great sign of power. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving, so as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move its way upwards like that. And you stop and think about it, okay, well, what does the price have to do over time in order to increase or in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself needs to keep on increasing over time, and that by definition is what a bullish move is, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they basically insult your intelligence. So ideal, $1.40. Overall, kind of grand scheme of things, very easy way to boil down the chart. As long as the price is above that purple line, then bulls are in full control, no questions asked. As far as areas of resistance, initial one going to be right here at that level, which sits $1.87, and then after $1.87, next key level of resistance up there at about $2.15. So yeah, $2.15 is more so the exciting one to talk about because that'd be the level that would put it to new highs. But before you start talking about the quote-unquote exciting level of resistance, bulls first got to get up above $1.87 there. All in all, though, no doubt about it, another very nice day. And as long as the price keeps on building these higher lows, long-term chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.